Tired of trading hours for pennies? What if you could build wealth while you sleep? In your 20s? Let's make it happen. Look, your 20s don't have to be a financial grind. You can build passive income streams that generate cash even when you're not working. We're talking real money, real freedom. Let's dive in. First up, high-yield savings and dividend stocks. Park your cash in a high-yield account, earning 4 to 5% annually. Or invest in dividend stocks, companies that pay you just for owning their shares. With a $10,000 investment, you could easily generate $400 to $500 a year passively. It's not a fortune, but it's a solid start. Next, real estate crowdfunding. You don't need millions to invest in property. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest with as little as $1,000. Earn passive income from rental properties, with potential returns of 8 to 12% annually. That's $80 to $120 per $1,000 invested, without lifting a finger. Now let's turn your skills into cash. Create an online course or digital product. Teach something you're good at. Sell it on platforms like Udemy or Etsy. With a well-made course, you could generate hundreds, even thousands of dollars in passive income each month. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. Build a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. Recommend products you love. With a decent audience, you can easily generate hundreds of dollars a month passively. Finally, build your own platform, a YouTube channel or blog. It takes time, but the payoff can be huge. With ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can create a sustainable passive income stream for years to come. Your 20s are the perfect time to build passive income. Stop trading time for money. Start building wealth while you sleep. Subscribe, and let's make it happen.